I think one of the keys to Mistral Villa that is so important and why it needs to be seen in person is the fact that when you arrive at the top of the property, because we're built into a hillside, and you come through and then down the stairs, you don't really know what you're preparing yourself for until you round the corner and look through the glass doors, the entry doors, and look through Mistral Villa, the way it's designed, with the 10-foot glass doors on the other side, and look at the view of the ocean beyond that. It really does take your breath away. And that's what I think people really need to embrace when they come to Mistral Villa and see it. And that's what I think makes it a special opportunity to, as a purchase. It really is an incredible villa to have in your portfolio.
Imagine enjoying all that Mistral Villa has to offer.
But it's the stunning views of the North Shore that really can't be beat.